NotebookLM is one of the most powerful AI tools, but 99% of people are using it completely wrong. So, in this tutorial, we are going to generate NotebookLM slide decks which are completely editable. Open NotebookLM. Click on Try NotebookLM. Now, let's create a new notebook from here. So, this is where we are going to upload our sources for the slide. The source can be a document from your computer, or anything like a link to some website. It can also be a YouTube video, or even your copied text. And on the right is our studio, from where we can generate the slide decks. For the topic, I chose climate change and explained it to Claude. He generated some trustworthy sources that I am going to copy and paste here. For that, click on Upload Source, select Websites, and paste it here. Now, let's click Insert, and wait until NotebookLM fetches it. So, it's done now, and you can see the right side is unlocked. Now click on this arrow on Slide Decks. So here, we have two options for slide style. Detailed Deck is for learning the subject because it will generate text-heavy slides. And Presenter Slides are for presentation purposes. Let's select Presenter Slides. Change the language if you want. Now, in this box, write the task you need in the slide, short and to the point. Or you can use any AI to generate a prompt like this one and then paste it here. Let the length stay default because we already mentioned the number. Click Generate and wait a few minutes. Now click here, and you can see it has generated it so nicely. Let's open it. Here at the top, we can see a Revise option. So basically, this option is used to edit whatever you want in a slide, but it's not really worth it. If you edit even a single word on a particular slide, this option will regenerate the full slide deck again. Then something else might go wrong, and you keep looping in this cycle. And if you download this as PPTX, you'll see that the slide is just an image, nothing else. I found a way to make the NotebookLM slides fully editable. First, let's download this slide deck in PDF format, in a format that a proper OCR tool can work with cleanly. And the tool we're going to use for this is called PDNob by Tenorshare. Link is in the description. Now, let me show you exactly how this works step by step. By clicking the link in the description, you'll be redirected to the website. Now click on Free Download, and the download will start. Once downloaded, open it from your Downloads folder and press Install. After installation, it will open automatically. Now, to use some of the latest features for free, you need to sign up. Do it by clicking Login here. Once you are logged in, you can access all its features. Click on OCR here to download the OCR plugin to your computer for offline use with the software. After this is done, close this tab and click on OCR PDF. Then add the PDF we downloaded from NotebookLM. Once it is open, do your settings. Select all pages and choose your language. The ABBYY engine provides coverage for 16 languages in total. After this, click Perform OCR. And here it becomes fully editable. Let's remove the NotebookLM watermark. Here we go. Now you can see this PDF is fully editable. Edit anything or move anything as you want. One thing worth knowing, PDNob gives you a good amount of free usage to test it properly. Now let's use its Convert feature. We can convert to a wide range of document formats used in the industry. But let's convert this to PowerPoint. At first, it will ask you to save this PDF. Let's do that. Now click on the Convert tab again, then choose to PowerPoint presentation. You can save the PPT file anywhere by selecting a custom directory. After that, click on Convert, and here we go, it's converted successfully. Now close this and open the PPT file we just converted. And look at this, it's completely editable. Let's go and apply a float-in animation to the text boxes to check if it works correctly or not. Let's do that with subheadings as well. And now, let's preview. Don't forget to check the link in the description. Thanks for watching.